Thank you for coming back to BrainByte. Have you ever installed an app or visited a website and quickly clicked, "I agree" without reading anything? Almost everyone does it. But have you ever wondered what you actually agreed to? Every time you sign up for a new app, download software, or even update your phone, you're asked to accept something called terms and conditions. These agreements are usually long, confusing, and full of legal language, so most people just scroll down and click accept. But what really happens after you do that? First, when you click I agree, you're entering into a legal agreement with that company. This means you're giving the app or website permission to access certain information on your device. Depending on what you accept, this could include your location, contacts, camera access, microphone, browsing activity, or even usage data. Second, many apps collect data for advertising purposes. By agreeing to their terms, you may be allowing them to track your activity across different apps and websites. This helps them build a digital profile about your interests, which is often used to show targeted ads. Third, your data might be shared with third parties. Some companies mention in their privacy policies that collected data can be shared with partners for analytics, marketing, or service improvement. This doesn't always mean your personal identity is revealed, but your usage patterns and preferences can still be tracked. In some cases, apps may also store your data on external servers, sometimes located in other countries, depending on their data policies. Also, some apps include permissions that continue running in the background even when you're not actively using them, which can collect usage data over time. So next time you click I agree, remember that you're not just skipping a formality, you're giving certain permissions that may affect your privacy and how your data is used. Please check out our other videos about internet safety as well, and subscribe to BrainByte for more videos where we explain tech in the simplest way possible.